Get ready, speed lovers and SUV fanatics, because Nissan just dropped a bombshell. The 2026 Nissan Patrol NISMO is here, and it's bigger, badder, and bolder than ever before. Welcome back to Drive Domination. Right off the bat, the 2026 Patrol NISMO screams power. That redesigned aerodynamic body kit, sleeker lines, aggressive grille, carbon fiber accents, and massive 22-inch forged wheels, all tuned for speed and style. Under the hood, Nissan keeps the beast alive. A tuned 5.6-liter V8, now pushing out 450 horsepower and torque to burn. It's paired with a recalibrated 7-speed automatic and NISMO-tuned suspension, made to dominate dunes and highways alike. Inside, and it's all luxury meets performance. Think Alcantara sport seats, red accents, carbon fiber trims, and a 12.3-inch infotainment system packed with wireless, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And yes, premium Bose audio for those long drives. Nissan's Safety Suite gets an upgrade to Propullet Assist, Adaptive Cruise, Lane Keep, 360-degree camera, and even off-road terrain modes. This Patrol isn't just a brute, it's brainy too. The 2026 Nissan Patrol NISMO isn't just an SUV, it's a statement. A fusion of muscle, luxury, and racing heritage. Whether you're ruling city roads or conquering sand dunes, this beast is built to dominate. Like what you see? Smash that like button, subscribe to Drive Domination, and drop a comment. Would you take this over a Land Cruiser GR Sport? Let's talk in the comments below.